Hola! This is Rayma, your amiga, the only pislet in Peru. Yahoo! Happy Thursday, everybody! Today,
Very happy.
sasagutin, I'm gonna answer some of the questions. Okay, I will continue answering some of the questions here in the comment section. Okay, para happy ang lahat. Kajok lang ha. Maganda ang panahon ngayon, guys. Very, very nice na panahon. Wait lang po. Nashi, wait lang, Vicky. Oh, look. I need to prepare our things. I need to prepare our things. Hold here. Ayaw niya magpa, ano. We will go to clinic.
May kapag ikaw na.
Alam nyo ba, dito sa Peru, na ano ako niyan, na-confuse ako niyan before because kasi sa atin yung clinic, hindi siya hospital, maliit lang siya na parang tanggapan ng mga private doctors. Meron silang clinic, no? Or we can also say dental clinic, no? Sa Philippines, dental clinic. But dito sa Philippines, dito sa Peru, iba pala. Ang clinic nila dito is hospital, pero private hospital. Oh. Hindi nila tinatawag na Kapaso, what happened? Oh, thank you. Say thank you to Tita Eden for your dress. Thank you, Tita Eden. Oh, vamos a hospital. Meaning, private hospital yun. Look. Now, she has a lot of insect bites. Daddy, we need to buy the,
Yes po.
what to call it?
Repellent po.
No, Biltolol? Ay,
Mentolato.
Mintolatum. Kasi marami siyang ano.
Yan may parko may.
Ano, wala ko sinashi. Dagan kay paak ay. Wala kay paak ang baby. Kani siya sa ako ning mother-in-law. Ay sa in-laws ba? The house of my in-laws, me too. The mosquitoes attacked us there. Ay. Agoy. Tara guys.
Wala, baka sa may sulat.
Yeah, I will clean later. Because this morning it was clean and then look, came messy again. Okay, open. I'll go with you. Kasi may tao. Hi. Ika, hi. Mwah. Flying kiss. Mwah. Flying kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Flying kiss. Mwah. Flying kiss. Mwah. Flying kiss. Wow. Mwah. Ay, nice. Ang laway. Siya. Ay, flying kiss. Ay, flying kiss. Sinash. Wow. Guys, dira ko nanganak ang Dara res, oh. Dara was born there in Rebagliati. That's Rebagliati. Very big hospital, guys, sis. A very big hospital here in Peru. Grabe yun. Dako siya nga hospital. Nakuan yun ko na impress kay ko ba, na amaze kay ko kay dapos na siyang hospital. This level.
I was amazed that I didn't finish in the police station.
Uin, may nabi. Look, ganin ninyo, oh. Naon ninyo, dako ko siyang hospital. Super duper. By hospital. Tanawan ninyo, oh, problema na dili sa Peru, guys, ang parking. Yan yung park na sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, oh. Masasakyan ninyo kita.
Uy, pa.
tubig there. Nash, Nash.
¿Ya? Son 3 vacunitas, una en cada brazo y la otra en la pierna.
Okay.
¿Ya?
¿Y por qué aquí hay 4?
No, sarampión, paperas y rubiola son 3 vacunas en uno solo.
Ah, ok.
¿Ya? Sarampión, paperas y rubiola.
Ok.
Y varicela es aparte.
Ajá. So,
Esa es la primera dosis que está recibiendo el día de hoy.
Y...
Y aparte, neumococo que ya le
Ah,
corresponde.
aparte.
¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien. ¿Y tú qué tal? ¿Usted la va a abrazar? Ahí, perfecto. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo estoy bien. ¿Tú qué tal? Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo estoy bien. Ya está, ya está. Adiós. Chao, goodbye. Goodbye.
Yes, baby. Yay.
Espérame para pegarte esto, ¿ya?
Down, one down.
Ahí está.
One down.
Está, giramos.
Hooray! Hooray! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Las bocas.
And then O, P. Nashi. Baba, black sheep. Baba, you didn't cry. Wow.
Hola,
Baba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, 1 for aquí.
Sí, piernita.
1 for the
Esta
little
vacunita sí se va a
dog.
sentir mal, ¿no? La abrazamos bien. Esta vacunita se siente un poquito más.
Black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 really makes a life. Apple baba, 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 baba.
Ya está, se acabó. Se acabó. Ya está. Ya.
Hooray! Finish. We're done. We're done. Wala siya nag-cry. Na she didn't cry sa braso na kuan. Injection, she didn't cry. Finish na. Good job ang baby. Good job ang bambam. Good job ang baby. Good job. Gracias. Permiso. We are done. Plankies. Amwa. Good job si Noshi. First and second shoulder. She didn't cry. Wala jud. Siya nag-cry but sa kuan, the legs. Painful the legs, no? But it's okay. Mommy is so proud of you, you know? Mommy is so proud of you. You did great. Very good kayo siya. Same sila ni Dara. Nashi and Dara are the same. Dili ka sila hadlukan og injection. Ding ding. Pero ang imo yung nagway day. You need to buy kuan. You need to buy mentolatum. Mentolatum. Smile. Nasha is smiling to you guys. Plankies to them, plankies. Plankies to them. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Amwa. Para nagula rin injection ng day. Para nagula day. Very good na si Nash, right? Mama is so proud of you, baby. Oh, sakit daw ni. Ang iyang legs, ano. The nurse said that she will feel disturbed with her legs. Hooray! Good job, Nashi! Clap your hands! Is that all? Alright, thank you so much. Okay, now, you need to switch roles. Okay, so Sergio now will be the agent. And do you want to go back to your room?
No, we plan. This destination is no. I would recommend you to.
Done with class. Mana kita akong class?
Are you done here?
Yeah, thank you so much. We will go to Cayao to fetch our dear Dara Manuel. Our dear Dara Maymay is in Cayao. Di ba napabilin siya? Si Dara po ay nandun pa sa Cayao. Tingnan nyo ang ano guys, ang ating view. Diba? Ganda ng view natin, no? Ganda-ganda ng view natin dito guys. Ay! Shucks. Malingkod sa tagarin. Relax sa relax. Alam nyo ba? Naghahanap ako ng ano ba? I'm looking for coconut milk. Kasi ang mahal-mahal ng coconut milk na dito. Tignan nyo. Nagpabili ako kay Manuel ng coconut milk. 14 soles. 14 soles. Ang isang ganito lang ha. 14 soles, it's like 200 pesos. Sa ating 150 plus 60. Lagi. 100 pesos. Yes, come here, baby. Diba, ang mahal, guys. Mahal kaayo siya, guys. Imagine, isang lata lang, 200 pesos na. Kaya, nag-experiment pa ako sa stay. Stay, guys. Huwag kayong mahulog, guys. Ano? Did you buy the Panadol?
I forgot.
Very good. National has fever already.
I couldn't buy anyway because they didn't accept Yape. How could I pay? You have your card.
Luya kong baby,
Where's the
guys.
Panadol that we
The
have?
baby has fever. No more. Fly. Remember, she had 3 vaccinations today. 1 here, 1 here,
Again, balik
and
ka.
1 here.
Again, balik ka. The paracetamol we don't have.
We don't have anymore.
But they gave to Dara the last time in the hospital. Where's the
She's
paracetamol?
not allowed. Uy.
It's the same, using a
No.
small amount. The paracetamol is standard.
Tarawa. She's getting, yung ano niya, yung dito niya, sabi ng nurse, the one here is very painful. And she will feel disturbed starting tonight. You know what, Jude? Oh. Yes, Bam. Can you please turn off the TV, por favor. We'll go and get ate. Fetch ate. Kaluoy siya kong baby. Kaluoy. Kaluoy siya kong baby. Kaluoy. Ay. 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 Say hi to them. Hi, guys. Flying kiss. Flying kiss to them. Flying kiss. Flying kiss to them. Mwah. Okay, akong hair. Akong hair. Sige, go. Flying kiss to them. Mwah. 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 Ay, ka very good sa kong baby. Flying kiss to them. Flying kiss. Mwah. 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 Hello, iba ka nga baby. Ay. Kawawa ewa nga baby. Kawawa ewa. Sige, let's go.
No, we will take a blessing first.
Sama kayo sa amin. Do you want to come with us? Meron na akong 3 cans of coconut milk. 3 na yung nabili ko guys na coconut milk for my cassava cake. Right? Nashura Maymay? Kaluwi siya kong baby. Oy. Kawawa ang baby guys. Oh. Kawawa ang baby guys. Kawawa. Uy, kaluwi. Ito na akong bagoy. Uy, kaluwi. Uy, kaluwi. Flankies na lang. Flankies na lang. Sige. Mama. Luwi ba kanina bata eh? Sakit? Sakit dahil imong paa? Sakit? Flankies na lang di. Flankies na lang. Mama. Mama. Minuangan lang yun ni mami no? Minuangan naman ko niyo mo mother. Mother, flankies na lang. Mama.
Again,
Ama. Yes.
I suggest to wait for me in the park.
Sige ha. Isasama ko kayo. Isasama ko ba kayo?
Una de las voces más potentes.
¿Es el lugar de?
No.
Or is it stupidity?
Time check.
10:28.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Alright.
Traffic ayo. Uy, careful. We are here. It's explication. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi. Nashi was very
You say
Nashi was
we are
very
meant to be.
Nashi was very uncomfortable. Tingnan nyo, injection yan. Meron pa isa dito, meron pa sa kabila.
Uncomfortable when you are away from your husband. I just called to say I love you. I love you. I just called.
Sige, tingin. Akpas da yun. Sige na. Tulugon na kayo siya. Nag-drive siya, nakatulugon kayo siya. Ginoo ko, Lord. Dili gid maayo mag-drive na sleepy. I've tried that also. Thank God na wala gid mi na disgrasya from Asia pud mi at nga time. Nagpuli-puli mi kay katulugon lagi. So kami. Nagpalitan kami ba? Here, the second line. Dara is with us already. This girl is so cheeky. You know what she told me when we arrived? She was really like, Mommy! And then she told me, you left me. What? You didn't leave her. She wanted to stay there until tomorrow, huh? She wanted to stay there until tomorrow. I even got mad with her because I told her until Wednesday only. Because on Saturday is Katarina's birthday. BFF niya, BFF. Tapos, Friday na today. It's already 1 a.m. It's already Friday. Later, I have orders, guys. Thank you so much for our kababayan who's supporting my small business. May nag-order po sa atin. Tomorrow is a delivery. Wish me luck. Wish me the best. Sorry po. Sorry po, ha. Hindi ko na at the beginning of my video, sinabi ko na I will answer your questions. Okay, Miss Hannah asked, where did you meet your husband? Sa ano po kami nag-meet? 2.com. Okay. Tapos, Miss Maylene is asking kung ano daw ang kailangan.
I wanna go out.
Baby, we cannot go out anymore. It's very late.
No. But this is the park where there's also playing with.
Hey, look, your sister is sleeping already. You're sleeping.
You carry
Your sister.
nasty.
V, tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow we'll go out. Okay?
This children nasty.
V, it's very late already. Danamil. Tomorrow, okay? We'll go out tomorrow, promise. That's a promise, okay? Yeah, anyway, Miss Maylene was asking kung saan daw, anong kailangan, anong requirements, anong gagawin pag pupunta sa Peru. Buka ng ticket, tapos mas maigi po na kumuha kayo ng transit visa. I recommend you to get transit visa talaga. That's my recommendation, yes.
I wanted to practice with my rollers.
Your sister is already sleeping. Yan lang muna yung sasagutin, pistol. Yan lang muna yung sasagutin natin today for today's video. Yun lang muna yung sasagutin natin for today. Those 2 questions. Shout out Ma'am Hannah and Maylene. Shout out to everybody then sa lahat-lahat ng mga viewers. Yung mga questions nyo, sasagutin ko sa susunod na video sa pakonti-konti lang po sa kada video, okay? Have a wonderful day, everyone. Stay safe and healthy. Ciao, ciao. Pabush.